Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about thyme and how to store your fresh thyme. The most often suggested way to store fresh thyme is to wrap it up in a slightly damp paper towel. Put that in a plastic bag or in some other type of container that you prefer, and then put it in the refrigerator. And like that, it should keep fresh for you from anywhere from 10 to 14 days. If you notice that it starts to look kind of odd, yellowing or brownish, or it starts to get moldy or slimy in any way, or it starts to develop an odor, time to toss it out. It's beyond its point, okay? So that's the best way to store your fresh thyme. Now, dried thyme should be just kept in an airtight container that it comes in a dark cupboard in a cool place. The rule of thumb is to replace it in 6 months' time. Obviously, a lot of people do keep their herbs longer than that. And the way to tell if it is just beyond its time is just put some in your hand or a mortar and pestle and just kind of rub those leaves a little bit in your hand. Try to break them up and release some of the essential oils, and then give it a smell. And if it does not have any aroma to it, it's spent, it's beyond its time. It's still safe to eat, but it won't provide the flavor that you want it to. So I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.